Hey, welcome back to your Caribou Data Science channel. Today is Tuesday, March 9th, 2020. It's that time of day where I go out and update my COVID-19 databases. Of course, I'm using the database. My database of choice is SQLite. Very fast, very light, uh, really easy to work with. But also the data today I'll be using, as always, Johns Hopkins University, Our World in Data, and the New York Times, plus an additional vaccine rollout for the U.S. Okay. So it's, as always, let's just open up a command prompt. Go to the R directory. One down, two to three to go. Let's do vaccine next. This is state level vaccine reporting. Last but not least, actually, now seeing how this is a fairly large data set, I'm going to take this opportunity to run package update in RStudio. Right? Now, what are we doing here? Okay, I'm going to come to package, and we're package update. And you can see I have two packages here, so I'm going to do select all, then install. And these are the R scripts I use to actually update the SQLite database. I do have two SQLite databases I use. One's for the New York Times, and the other's for Our World in Data. You know, I really can't emphasize how important it is to run package update once a day. Okay, because the problem you had yesterday could be fixed in the package today. All right. So that concludes that. Let's make sure how this looks good. So Our World in Data is downloaded. So let's come over here. Let's just keep track of the date. Let's just come up here then. Run source. And this will take just one moment. Okay, let's run this. Okay. And finally, our world in data. Okay. Okay. Let's just make sure all these actually did run. Well, it probably ran without echoes what it did. That's all it happened is. Let's do this. Because if you just do source, it won't produce all this output here, but it still should produce an error, right? Okay, great. Let's take a quick look at the database itself. Beginning with our world in data. Go over here, our world in data. Three eight. So this is for yesterday. Okay, so in order to get Wednesday's data the report will be run on Thursday. All right, so that looks good. 3821 vaccines. 3821. Okay, good. What about Ohio? Doses administered. Okay, all right. So that's fine. So this concludes the database update report for today. That concludes the database report for today. Okay, back in a moment with our regular gaggle of daily reports.